Hey there, I'm Ashlyn Carter, the calligrapher and copywriter behind the brand Ashlyn Writes. Today, I want to talk to you about those inquiry emails you have sitting in your inbox. This is one of the very first impressions that you have on your potential clients, so it's really important that you nail it. I want to bring you a few tips on how you can do just that. The first thing that I want you to do is state the problem back to them. Now, your potential clients have probably given you a golden nugget in the email to you. They told you what they're frustrated with, what is overwhelming right now, and what they need your help with. So one of the first things that I want you to do in responding is say this back to them. Use their words. People buy when they feel heard, seen, and understood, and you can prove just that in your inquiry response. The second tip I have for you is not to overwhelm them. I don't want you to give TMI just yet. I want you to answer their questions and give them just enough so they know about the next step in the sales process. Tip number 3, I want you to wind up your email with a really strong, clear call to action. We need to grease the slides for our potential clients and make it easy for them to buy. People don't buy when they are confused, so make it less confusing for them and make it really clear whatever it is that they're supposed to do next. And there you have it. Since your inquiry response is one of the very first impressions that you ever get to make on your client, you want to do a great job with it. It is our honor as creatives and as entrepreneurs to get to be leaders for our clients. So I really want you to step into a leadership role here and give a very clear inquiry response.